So the first slime is called Unicorn Tears. This is like one of my favorite new slimes to the shop. It is a super clear slime with iridescent glitter, confetti glitter, and iridescent chunky glitters, and some micro shimmer pink glitters. It is unscented to preserve the clarity. It's super thick and stretchy and very clicky. It also holds a lot of bubble pops. It is not that, so the confetti glitter sometimes pokes you. It rarely pokes you in this slime, and if it does poke you, it does not hurt at all. At least I don't mind it, and yeah. This is definitely something that I recommend buying. There's going to be a very limited amount of this slime. It won't be back next week. It won't be back for a while, so I definitely recommend you grab this right now. So the next slime is called Mystery Misfit. It is a slime that I forgot to list in the restock, or that just never sold for a little bit of a discounted price. So I will be selling my Mystery Misfits for $7 in 8 ounces, and you can get any slime that has not sold, or I've had for a little while, that I never put in the store by accident. And so you can get any random slime ever. So it's basically like a grab bag, but they were in my store once. This next one is called Roasted Confetti Marshmallow. This is one of my favorites. This is my personal one. I have one of these available this week, and we're going to have it in a 6-ounce container. Don't worry, it's not this exact slime. Like, it's this type of slime, but it's not this exact one that I'm playing with right now, because I don't touch your guys' slime. Don't worry. It's a super thick and clicky slime. It's a half foam. It holds a lot of bubbles. It's super thick, and it's scented just like roasted marshmallows. It also has assorted different color foam beads. This has been a little bit of a fan favorite for the past few weeks, so I decided to bring it back just for you guys. So this next slime is a very, very special slime. It's for my friend Tess. It's called Liberty. This slime is dedicated to my friend Tess and her dog Liberty. Sadly, Liberty passed away at 16.5 years old, and this slime is dedicated to her. This slime is super special for her, so it's going to be, all the proceeds go towards a present for Tess. But let's get on to this amazing slime. This slime is literally my favorite slime ever. It's so thick, and it has little heart slices, well, polymer clay hearts, and they're assorted different colors. It is in a, I don't know how to describe the metallic part, but it's like a silver metallic slime. It's scented like pine. And this is my favorite my favorite slime ever. It's so thick. It's like Snoop slimes, clear slimes, mildly stretchy, but also so thick that it's like a putty and a slime. It has super amazing clicks, and it's really holdable too. And it's just one of my favorite slimes, and it's scented like pine. And I don't know why, but this scent is so calming for me. But yeah. This next slime is called Cinnamon Apple Butter, And this slime is making the lighting look even more terrible than it already is. I am sorry about the lighting. I know how terrible it is, but I promise I will not film any more videos in this horrible lighting. But let's go into the slime. This slime is a super spreadable, light and airy, fluffy sleigh and butter slime. It's super creamy too. It has a dark red color that I'm super in love with. I play with my personal cinnamon apple butter all the time. It's super spreadable. This is my personal one, so it's a little fluffed up right now, but I love fluffy clay slimes. I don't know about you, but I love them. It has some random colored foam beads. They look black inside the slime like cinnamon. That's why I named it cinnamon apple butter. It's scented like apple butter, and the scent is so nice. It is made with a special new type of clay that I've been using, that I just started using, and I think I'm going to use it a lot more because I love it so much. But yeah. Now guys, this slime is going to be a little bit more on the expensive side. It'll be 50 cents more than all my usual 8 ounces, so it'll be $8.50. Like, I know that's not that much more expensive for you guys, but I still want my price to be low for you guys. But since the clay is so expensive, I have to charge a little bit more for this amazing slime. Okay guys, so this is the last slime in the shop this week. It is called Rainbow Asteroid. This is one of my favorite slimes ever. It is a slime smoothie. I did make it in a video. It's so super duper thick. It has a bunch of assorted colored foam beads. It has a few different textures in it, so it has some fishbowl beads at the bottom. They don't fall out, surprisingly, and you might be able to find a charm in there once in a while. It also has some pearls in it, like this pearl in it. They're not real, but yeah. It also has some jelly cubes in it. It also has like the fake snow and the artificial snow, different rainbow foam beads, jelly cubes, and yeah, it's just super thick too. It has like, I can't explain the scent. It smells like a carnival because there's so many different carnival foods scents in here, but I definitely recommend this one. It's going to be super cheap, and it's going to be in 8 ounces, and it's a slime smoothie. So they always have the best texture, so it's a win-win-win. So thank you guys so much for watching this slimy video. If you guys did enjoy this restocking video, don't forget to purchase down below. I really hope you found something that you would love to purchase in my restock this week. If you were to buy something, I would definitely recommend Liberty or cinnamon apple butter. I'm not just recommending Liberty because I want it to sell for my friend, but because I love the slime itself. It's just such a nice slime, and I definitely recommend it. Also, cinnamon apple butter I recommend because it's a super fluffy and light and airy butter slime. Those are my favorite 2 slimes in the whole restock, so I definitely recommend grabbing those because, first of all, Liberty is a limited edition, and I don't think I'll be bringing apple butter back either. But yeah, don't forget to buy some slime from my shop. If you would like to get anything from the video, tell me down below what you bought if you did buy anything, and I will give you a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like or a comment down below, and if you want to send me anything, don't send me anything weird though. No offense. Send it to me in my P.O. box, which is in the description of this video. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found something that you would like to purchase. And see you at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, February 25th at 2018. So, see you on my Etsy shop. Bye, guys.